Hi, I'm going to talk about your second task for this week. This is week 5 and this is task 5. This is your glossary. So lesson 3, in this lesson we will learn how to make our glossary. You can find that in your project map where it says task 5. Click there and you'll find all of the information that you need. So let's look at the task and the marks. Make a glossary, and this is for 10 marks. Everything needs to be perfect on here. The glossary is very similar to what you do in your portfolio, so you just need to do similar work. So project step 5, make a glossary. Here's what your glossary looks like. You have this document on the project map and you can download your template to make your glossary just like the glossary that you see here. You're going to name it and save it and put it in your Google folder, but this is what it looks like when you find it. So when I'm looking at my articles, I am going to go find the words that are interesting and that are useful for my topic. Here in my first article, I find fjord. That was the waterway that goes between the mountains. Spectacular, that means like amazing. Surrounded, means something is around something. Heritage, that's like the past of my culture. And explore, looking for things, new things. Okay, so I've got some words here and I'm going to take a look at what I need. I need, first of all, to use a learner's dictionary to look them up. I'm going to use learnersdictionary.com. That will take me to a website that helps me find definitions that are good for 340 students. So I am going to look it up in this Merriam-Webster dictionary. I'm going to put the part of speech, it's a noun, a fjord is a noun. I'm going to copy paste the definition, a narrow part of the ocean between cliffs or steep hills or mountains. Then I'm going to put my source sentence. The source sentence, this is just like in your portfolio, this is where did you find it, so you can remember how it was originally used. So I'm going to copy paste this in and I'm going to mark the word in bold so I can see it easily. Now I'm going to make my own sentence, just like in your portfolio. Norway's fjords are beautiful rivers through the mountains. So this is a sentence that's from my head. It's new. I didn't look it up on the internet. I didn't copy it from somewhere. It's something that I can remember and that I can create myself. That shows that I know how to use it. And the last thing, I am going to go find a picture. So I can search Google Images or I can search inside my Google Doc for the picture that I want. I need to find a picture that shows exactly what I'm talking about. That's easy with nouns because you can usually find a picture of something. Sometimes for verbs, adverbs, adjectives, you need to find something that's a little bit different, but that will remind you of what it means. If you can find a good picture, that will help you remember the word in the future. So then when you get your glossary done, you've got the word, part of speech, definition, source sentence, your sentence, and a picture for every single one of your words. That's 10 if you're working individually, 20 if you're working as a pair. You will be done with your glossary. And your next steps, just like I mentioned on the last video, you need to finish up your note-taking sheet, upload all your articles to your Google folder, finish your glossary, finish your reference list, and you're finished for the week. Best of luck on your project. I hope it's going really well for you. I hope that you're finding all the materials really useful and that your teachers are able to answer your questions for you. Let us know if you have any questions. Bye, have a good week.